Imagine finding a brand new, custom-built, modern farmhouse in a picture-perfect tree-lined street in a neighborhood where most homes have been built in the 1940s. It just doesn't happen. If you've been watching Long Beach property tours and doing your research on living in Long Beach, California, you already know that finding a brand new construction out here is like finding a unicorn. We are in Los Altos, one of Long Beach's most absolutely loved, tight-knit, and established neighborhoods. This home was completely taken down to the dirt and rebuilt from the ground up with an absolute obsession for quality craftsmanship. If you're moving to Long Beach, California, or just exploring the best neighborhoods in Long Beach, you are looking at a total architectural unicorn in Long Beach, California real estate. Oh, and whether you're buying or selling or relocating right here in Long Beach or anywhere across California, reach out to my team and me. I'll give you straight, expert advice and real answers on your specific property and situation. Even if you're headed out of state, don't just roll the dice on a total stranger who could turn out to be a disaster. Reach out anyway, and we'll connect you with an incredible vetted agent from our in-house referral program who we know and trust to treat you right. Before we step inside this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home, let's talk about where to live in Long Beach and why people fight to get into this specific pocket. As a Long Beach real estate agent, clients always ask me about the Long Beach, California lifestyle, and Los Altos delivers it perfectly. Look at this street. The maturity of the trees, the pride of ownership is quintessential. We'll come back towards the end of the video to the location, but now let's go inside. The second you cross this threshold, the first thing that hits you is the sheer scale. We have soaring 10-foot ceilings throughout this entire main level. In standard homes in Long Beach, California, ceilings usually sit around 8 feet. Raising these to 10 feet completely changes the psychological feel of the space. It breathes. It feels grand, airy, and incredibly bright. Look at the light flooding into this open concept floor plan. If you're actively looking at homes in Long Beach, California, you know how hard it is to find a layout that flows effortlessly from the living area into the dining space and right into the showpiece kitchen. And let's talk about what's under my feet. Throughout the entire home, they've installed these gorgeous 9-inch white oak luxury vinyl floors. Why luxury vinyl over traditional hardwood? Because it gives you that high-end white plank aesthetic, but it is incredibly durable. If you have kids, dogs, or you're coming back from a day at the beach, you don't have to stress about scratching these floors. When analyzing Long Beach property values, it's these high-end choices that truly protect a home's worth over time. All right, chefs, entertainers, and foodies, welcome to your dream kitchen. When looking at Long Beach homes for sale, the kitchen is always the make or break room. And this one is the undisputed crown jewel of this amazing home. It happened to me. I came to see this house and left emotionally attached to the kitchen. Let's start with the anchor of the room, this massive, oversized island. This is Taj Mahal Quartz, and they didn't just stop at the island. It runs all along the perimeter countertops and the full-length matching backsplash. The veining in this stone is stunning. It perfectly bridges the gap between modern clean lines and warm organic textures. And look at the storage. We have custom cabinetry wrapping all the way around, finished with designer hardware and under-cabinet lighting. Now, let's talk horsepower. The builder went all out with premium Z-line appliances. We have a massive professional-grade gas range, a custom hood vent hidden seamlessly into the cabinetry design, and a built-in microwave drawer. And right over here, perfectly situated for hosting, is your built-in wine refrigerator. Imagine setting out a charcuterie board on this island, pouring some drinks while everyone hangs out right here. This is exactly what it's like living in Long Beach. Effortless, elegant, entertaining. But here's how to take a beautiful kitchen and turn it into the ultimate Southern California lifestyle. Watch this. These expansive bifold doors fold completely flat, instantly erasing the boundary between the interior of the home and your beautifully landscaped backyard. This is indoor-outdoor living perfected. Unlike so many properties where the outdoor space feels compromised or cluttered by old structures, you have total creative freedom here. You have plenty of room here to create whatever outdoor retreat your heart desires. If you want a full outdoor kitchen, a fire pit lounge, or yes, there's even enough room space here for a resort-style pool. You can do it. You also have an attached garage, finished with high durability epoxy flooring, perfect if your car shares a space with a home gym or a workshop. But now, let's head back inside because we need to look at where you unwind at the end of the day. The builders deliberately placed the primary suite at the very rear of the home, away from the street, ensuring absolute privacy and tranquility. Step into this bedroom. It is a generous size main bedroom. You can easily fit a California king bed, nightstands, and a seating area here without feeling cramped. The windows look out directly into your private backyard, so you wake up to greenery every morning. But wait until you see the primary bathroom. Come look at this. This is the ultimate spa-inspired sanctuary. The centerpiece is this stunning freestanding soaking tub positioned beautifully against designer tile work. Right next to it, you have an oversized walk-in shower encased in a frameless glass enclosure featuring a heavy rainfall shower head and premium finishes. Dual vanities mean you never have to negotiate for counter space in the morning. And what about this walk-in closet? A lot of builders leave closets empty for the buyer to figure out. Not here. This is a professionally designed closet system with custom built-ins, hanging racks, and drawers already installed. When you weigh the pros and cons of living in Long Beach, having a brand new, fully customized main suite like this definitely goes heavily in the pro column. Let's check out the rest of the layout. Totaling 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, this home is incredibly versatile. Whether you have a growing family, need a dedicated home office, or want a high-end guest room, these secondary bedrooms deliver. And just like the primary suite, every single bedroom in this house features a professionally designed closet system. No basic wire racks here. The guest bathrooms carry the exact same design language as the rest of the house. Premium tile, beautiful fixtures, and pristine craftsmanship. Now, let's talk about the stuff you can't see, because this is what separates a true new construction from a cosmetic flip. When I say this house was taken to the dirt, I mean it. You're getting all new plumbing, all new electrical, a brand new high-efficiency HVAC system, a new roof, new energy-efficient windows, and even a completely new sewer line. If you look at any recent Long Beach housing market reports, you'll see that older infrastructure is one of the hidden expenses for buyers out here. At this home, all those major systems are brand new. You can move in with absolute peace of mind, knowing you won't be dealing with system headaches for decades to come. And the location? You are dead center to absolutely everything. If you jump in the car, hop on a bike, or like me, throw your running shoes on and head just a couple of minutes east, you hit the Los Altos Plaza with all your daily shopping. We're talking about having Lazy Acres Natural Market right at your fingertips. If you know, you know. This isn't just a grocery store, it's a daily lifestyle hub. Their phenomenal hot food bar is legendary for a quick lunch, loaded with everything from Mediterranean to artisan comfort foods. They have a premium, made-from-scratch fresh sushi and poke bar, a dedicated juice and barista bar for your post-run smoothies or wellness lattes, and a scratch bakery that is out of this world. You haven't lived until you've tried their famous warm, extra-large chocolate cookies. Right next door, they have completely transformed the iconic former Sears building into the massive sports basement. This place is an absolute playground for anyone who loves the outdoors. It's a 3-story community hub packed with full bike shop, a massive camping rental department, ski and snow gear, and a runner's paradise. It even features vintage couches to lounge on, free pool tables, and an indoor pickleball court. It truly acts as a meeting hall for local running clubs and neighborhood events. Right around the corner, you also have neighborhood classics like Kennedy's. Just a tiny bit further down the road, you have Target for all your daily essentials, Trader Joe's for your weekly grocery haul, and right in the same exact shopping center is a total hidden gem, Kihon Sushi. It is low-key, intimate, and hands down serves some of the most delicious, high-quality, authentic sushi you will find in the entire city. Having this level of culinary and retail convenience literally blocks from your front door is a massive part of what makes this neighborhood so special. If you head west, you are instantly connected to everything the iconic traffic circle area offers. Now, if you're new to the area, the traffic circle isn't just a roadway. It is the geographic heartbeat and one of the ultimate convenience centers of Long Beach. It acts as a massive roundabout connecting Pacific Coast Highway, Lakewood Boulevard, and Los Coyotes Diagonal, meaning it literally dives you straight into any part of the city within minutes. Plus, it gives you immediate, dead easy access to the 405 freeway. Then, if you look the other direction and head north, within 5 minutes, you're at the Long Beach Airport, the most stress-free airport in Southern California, and the massive modern Long Beach Exchange, LBX, at Douglas Park. You're truly in the center of the universe here, tucked away on a quiet residential street, enjoying the best of both worlds. So what's the verdict? Rutgers Avenue is a masterclass in what modern living in an established neighborhood should look like. You get the community, the trees, the award-winning schools, the proximity to Cal State Long Beach, and the central location of Los Altos, but you get it with 10-foot ceilings, a chef's kitchen, a luxury primary suite, and the structural integrity of a brand new home. If you're relocating to Long Beach, California, and want to bypass the typical maintenance headaches that come with older coastal homes, this is the turnkey solution you've been waiting for. If you want to see this property in person or want more details, all my contact information is down in the description below. And make sure to keep following along for more exclusive Long Beach property tours, and let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part of this modern farmhouse? Personally, I am obsessed with that Taj Mahal Quartz Island. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next tour.